Tons of natural light. Hardwoods and carpet. Gorgeous kitchen west/maple cabinets, granite counters, island/breakfast bar, tiled backsplash and floors. Pantry? Included. Spacious dining room west/lots of windows and vaulted ceiling. Vaulted great room west/beautiful rock fireplace just perfect for cold winter nights. Its own deck overlooking the private, fenced backyard. LG master suite tiled shower. Huge deck for cookouts. Complete renovation, new paint, new kitchen cabinets, new flooring, new bathroom countertop, new lighting, so much to mention to detail.